Today, we're taking a closer look at the JONR Robot Vacuum P20 Pro International Edition, a fully automatic cleaning solution that promises to take the hassle out of household chores. At first glance, the P20 Pro stands out with its all-in-one base station. This isn't just a charging dock. It's a full-service station. It automatically collects dust, cleans the mop, empties the bin, and even dries the mop with hot air. With its 3-liter dust bag, you can go up to 60 days without emptying, giving you true hands-free cleaning. On top of that, the 4-liter clean and dirty water tanks make it capable of tackling large areas without frequent refills. Now let's talk power. The JONR P20 Pro delivers a whopping 8,000 pascals of suction. That's strong enough to pick up dirt, debris, and stubborn pet hair with ease. And thanks to smart carpet detection, it knows exactly when to switch modes. The mop automatically lifts up to 8 millimeters when it detects carpet, switching to vacuum-only cleaning so your carpets don't get soaked. For hard floors, the P20 Pro really shines with its dual rotating mop system. 2 high-speed spinning pads apply consistent pressure for deep cleaning, removing sticky stains that traditional vacuums can't handle. When the job's done, it returns to the base, lifts the mop, washes itself, and dries with hot air, ready for the next round. Pet owners will especially appreciate the anti-tangle roller brush. It uses a cyclone deflector design to prevent hair from wrapping around the brush, making maintenance much easier and keeping suction performance at its best. Control is another big win here. Using the companion app, you can schedule cleanings from anywhere with just a tap. The P20 Pro builds a 3D map of your home, divides rooms, plans efficient cleaning paths, and even lets you set no-go zones. If you live in a multi-story house, it can store multiple maps, ensuring every floor gets cleaned just the way you like it. So what's the verdict? The JONR P20 Pro is more than just a vacuum. It's a complete cleaning assistant. With its powerful suction, intelligent carpet care, self-cleaning dual mop system, and hands-free maintenance, it's designed for busy households, especially families with pets. If you're looking for a robot vacuum that truly minimizes manual work while maximizing cleaning efficiency, the JONR P20 Pro is definitely worth considering.